Today we're going to take a look at the original voice amplifier. You can get this on Amazon for about $59. We have the model number M800 green variant. Here that it delivers stylish and high quality products and the original sound. The features: it says it's a loudspeaker, has an auxiliary, you can use a micro USB card, and it has original sound. Perfect for outdoor activities and events. User manual shows you all the information that you need. Right here we have the speaker itself. We're going to put that to the side. It goes with a wall adapter, micro USB to type A charging cable, a auxiliary cable, a strap, and a microphone. So taking a look at the products. We have branding on the front with the speaker drive right here. On the left side we have a microphone input and a charging input at 5 volts. At the top we have a power and pause button, rewind, forward, mode, and a recording button. The hooks for the strap. Right here we have a USB port for charging your phone. This is a power bank capable device. Right here you have a auxiliary port for devices that don't support Bluetooth. And then right here we have a micro SD card for recording audio and music files. Right of that we have a LCD panel. On the back of the device there is a clip for attaching it to your pants. Overall this has a really good weight to it. It's nice and rugged with good grips on the side as well as the bottom, so it will not move if you put it down on the table. To set it up, all you have to do is turn on the device. Plug in the headphones. You go on the left side where the microphone port is and plug it in. Testing 1 2 3. This is a really good product for $59. Nice and clear sound. I'm not even talking too loud, but it amplifies your voice so you don't have to talk super loud. There also is a setting where you press and hold this button for shortly to improve the voice. As you can see, now it is even more loud than before. You can do this to decrease it and it will decrease slowly, as you can see. So that's really cool. You have volume for this. It gets loud, and that's the loudest it can go, and it goes really loud. The microphone itself is really sensitive. Don't face the speaker towards the microphone, otherwise you'll have a echo effect. If you want, you can press and hold this button while you are talking to record a audio clip, and then you can play it over again and you can just continue to use that. So it's pretty cool, so you don't have to keep saying the same line over and over at an event. You can just press play and like say hello, hello, hello. You just press it or whatever. So that's really cool. Definitely worth it. And you can also have Bluetooth functions on this, so you can connect it. Just press the mode button.
Bluetooth is waiting for a connection.
Now it's in pairing mode, and you just connect it to your device and you can use it as a normal speaker, which is really cool. So this has a 4,400 milliamp battery. It lasts 8 to 10 hours on Bluetooth speaker mode, 10 to 12 hours on the voice amplifier mode. It takes about 3 to 5 hours to charge. IPX5 waterproof rating, has Bluetooth 4.2, supports TF, USB flash drive, supports power bank function, emergency charging, which you can charge your device usually about 1 full charge. Overall, this is a really amazing product for $60. I highly recommend it. It gets really loud, so you don't have to lose your voice during a lecture or something. If you're teaching, you don't have to raise your voice. Just talking to this perfectly, hear it. The whole room will hear you. Or outside, you can blast it out. You can use it as a speaker as well. You can use it as a power bank. It's pretty cool. It's a 3-in-1 device to suit your needs. Definitely recommend it. Buy it on Amazon.